My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 BMW 1 Series M Sport Edition. This vehicle has done just under 55,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature and a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access our notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, communication and media and radio. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. We have 3 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.